The exoskeleton is a powerful tool to reduce the fatigue and the physical damage.
It complements your strength. It's probably going to prevent such things as herniated discs or stress fractures on your spine.
What we want is to see the response of their bodies when they are doing this type of construction works with and without the exoskeleton.
It really helped the squatting and the back movement. I had a full range of motion.
I think with the exoskeleton, the work may be accessible by a broader group of people.